That's how you say it.
Hey, we've had sing heads. How you doing? How you been?
Hey, what's happening? What's happening? What's good?
Hey, before we get this video started, go and give us a big thumbs up.
Come
We're
on, that's
going to
too easy.
100 likes
Come on, that's too easy.
on this video. We have the recaps. These are the Jordan shoes that came out from the 2nd of October to the 7th of October. Go and start us off, my brother.
Hey, so we had those purple venoms, those 13s that came out on the second, and all sizes are available. Yes, all sizes are still available. What you got next, my brother?
So next we have the Jordan 1 High MM. It's that multiple materials. I did think this is a clean shoe. Again, I wish that this shoe would have came out in the spring. However, this is a women's only shoe. They come out on 4th of October for a price point of $155, and all sizes are still available. So go on and scoop them up, sneakerheads.
Yeah.
What you got next, my brother?
Hey, we got those Air Jordan 6, those Aquas. Hey, I did hit on those. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I hit on those. So expecting a unboxing, right? Expecting unboxing. Hey, and drop us a comment down below and let us know if you hit. But we did hit on them, my brother. But listen, right now, sizes 8 through 13 are still available. So that was a shoe that we were able to hit on. So expect that unboxing once again. Hey, so if you can continue to love content like this, hey, check out that video right there.
And like we said for sure, when you're blessed,
Hey, bless others. Peace.